So we've had a beautiful few days here in Amsterdam, heading off today, and we're going to do a Rhine River cruise. Oh, hello. No. And we're going to Switzerland. I'm just trying to find the coach. There it is. Audio, so we're just about to get on board.
Well, it's not fair. We've been drunk.
And I'll see you soon. I'm just patching together a few photos into this video because I've been mainly taking photos. So after our cruise along the Rhine River, we stopped in Heidelberg and we went to a local brewhouse, I don't know, it's a brewery or brew house, where we tasted some of the local beer. Now I went with the modern beer, which was a wheat beer, because I wasn't quite sure about the historical beer, but it was really nice. And then after we went there, then we headed off for some bit of sightseeing on our own before we rejoined the tour. So we've made it into Switzerland. I'm standing in front of the beautiful Rhine Falls. I'm loving all the buildings, they're just beautiful. It's raining a little bit at the moment, and of course my umbrella's in my suitcase under the bus, and my raincoat's in my hand luggage on the bus. So we can't be on the bus without the driver and the being there because of rules, people, getting locked on the bus. But I'm really looking forward to tonight. We're going to do a traditional Swiss dinner. Anyway, I just thought I'd share this with you. It is just beautiful. So I'm sitting in my hotel room in Innsbruck tonight, in Austria, and we've been told that tomorrow we're going to Italy. We're going to Venice, and they said that once we get into Italy, the weather's going to heat up, and so we need to eat any chocolates that we've got because they will melt in our suitcase. Now, I'm not going to trust them totally, that they're going to melt because the coach is beautifully air conditioned. But what I bought, I think it was today, I don't know, it's such a blur. And it's from, I don't know what these were. These were like 13 euros or something for 4 chocolates. And they're from Laderack, I don't know. They assured us these were the chocolates to buy. And I'll just open them. I've been waiting to try these. We've just come up from tea, and we had a vegetable consomme, which was absolutely beautiful. It was so light, and we had Wiener Schnitzel, which everyone told me was chicken, but I do think it was veal. I just wasn't confident enough to argue about it. So, and then we had apple strudel. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Rightio. So what I've got is, I can't remember. This is Grand Cru, and they said that's dark chocolate. This one was orange. This one was hazelnuts or whatever, so it's hazelnut. And this one was citron, which I'm assuming is lemon. So I got 2 dark ones and a milk chocolate and a white chocolate. So I thought I'd take a bite and tell you what they're like. I've been looking forward to this all day. They're so pretty. No. Marshmallowy. Could be coffee on top of all that marshmallowy goodness. made a mess. That one, delicious. Now we've got orange. I wonder if they're all marshmallow. Mm. 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 With orange. Mm. Delicious. Hazelnut. Mm. Mm. I looked to see if they had a knife in the room that I could chop all these with, but they don't. And this one. Mm. So it's got the little top on it with the centre, and then that. Mm. Mm. Absolutely delicious. And that was chocolate from Switzerland, from Lucerne. And we got it from that little shop. Oh, they are. I can't even just tell you which was the nicest, because they're all very different and taste delicious. And Bladderuck. And I've got a couple of photos of the shop, and I'll put them in the video. I'll pause the video and I'll pop them in there. But anyway, adventure continues. I'll probably round this video off soon. And pop it up for everyone to see. So I've got a few little bits and pieces I've photographed. So rightio, I'll just say, Swiss chocolates for the win. They are delicious. So far the tour has been going pretty fast. I do forget to take photos sometimes because I'm standing there with my mouth open, gawping at all the sights. But we're gonna, I think at the end of this video, we're on our way to Austria. Along the way I keep going back to my Cookie Do app and seeing what recipes that I can make in the Thermomix. What recipe? I mean, obviously I'm only looking at Cookie Do. I'm not researching too much into recipes, but I am taking note, and when I get home I'm definitely going to be trying to recreate some of these. The Black Forest cake was absolutely amazing, and when we left, the clockmaker came out and he gave us a postcard with the Black Forest cake on it, and I had a quick look at on Cookie Do, and there are a couple of Black Forest cakes, so I'm going to try that one. And then also the cheese fondue. I mean, I haven't made a cheese fondue for so long, and I have got a fondue pot, a fondue set that I was given for a wedding present by my mother and father. It was either a wedding present or an engagement present. I'm not sure. It may have been an engagement present. And so I actually went on Cookie Do, and there is a cheese fondue recipe on there. So I am going to try that. because, I mean, I love making all the breads, obviously in the Thermomix, but I just think that I'm going to have a go at that, and I'll video it, and if it's any good, I'll post the video for you all to see. If it's no good, you'll never know. So in the video, I had the Uncorn, I don't know, that Swiss dinner. That was amazing. It was the cheese fondue, the beef and mushrooms with rosti potatoes. The rosti potatoes were meh. I don't know. There was a lot of potato and not a lot of meat, but it was plenty of food. And then we finished off with, what did we finish off with? Oh, the strawberry ice cream in the shape of the Austrian flag with the little smear of apple sauce and the meringue. It was delicious. Anyway, I will round this video off now. I don't know how long it'll be till I post the next one. It just depends on our schedule. I mean, I know we've got some pretty big days coming up because I am doing a fast tour of Europe. Lots of places, not much time. We're only staying in each hotel one night. We're up, we're gone the next day. There's one coming up in Rome where we've got 2 nights. Most mornings in Europe we get croissants for breakfast, and I think I have got a video coming up. It's scheduled for, I don't know, another couple of days. I don't know what date it's scheduled for. I don't even know what today is. So, and it is croissants. Now, I will say they were particularly successful. And that was the recipe off Cookie Doo. But anyway, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, could you please give it a thumbs up? Pop over to my channel and subscribe. And I really hope I'll see you next time.